Hi there and welcome to another episode of Prep Set Go, Plumber's Principles. In this week's episode, we'll be discussing the manufacturer's method for using pipe joining, specifically non-pressure pipes. Here we'll be using our priming fluids and Type N blue glue, which is fast setting and specifically designed for PVC pipes with a diameter of 100mm or less. Typical application settings include non-pressure applications in residential, commercial and industrial work, such as sewerage, drainage, stormwater and electrical and cable conduit. So let's get straight into it and go through the manufacturer's approved application process, as well as its features and benefits, and the cautions and limitations to keep in mind. Before we begin, please note that blue glue is only approved for use by registered plumbers due to the nature of the product. Pipe cement jointing is a trade skill and should only be executed by appropriately qualified tradespeople. Refer to AS New Zealand 2032 for complete PVC pipe cement jointing instructions. So please make sure you do not buy glue as a DIYer. RLA's blue glue is manufactured to the highest Australian standards and quality assurance, and with a 10-year manufacturer's warranty, so you can have peace of mind when purchasing and applying the product. It also conforms to the stringent performance requirements of AS New Zealand 3879, so you can have confidence it will do the job to the highest standard. On the same note of Australian standards, blue glue is AS New Zealand 4020 approved, which means it is suitable for use in contact with drinking water. It is also watermark and ISO 9001 accredited. Now let's get into the application process and directions for use. As stated earlier, please keep in mind that blue glue is only approved for use by registered plumbers, so DIYers, call up your local plumber and they'll be able to help you out here. So the first step is to prepare the joint for application. Let's go through the steps needed to prepare the joint correctly. 1. Ensure the pipe is cut square and remove burrs. 2. Ensure the correct assembly of the joint. Mark the pipe at a distance equal to the full socket depth. 3. Test the joint for a dry fit. 4. Clean pipe and inside of socket using a clean cloth, freshly moistened with plumber's red priming fluid. This is essential to ensure a satisfactory bond. Now the initial preparation is out of the way, on to making the joint. 1. Shake or stir the glue thoroughly before using. 2. Apply the glue in full even coats to both surfaces. Firstly to the inside of the socket, then to the external surface of the pipe end. This is an area where many people make the mistake of applying the glue to only one surface, either the joint fitting or the pipe. The cement glue acts as a lubricant to help the fitting slide on, so if you're applying the glue to only one surface, you run the risk of the joint leaking. 3. Immediately assemble, pushing the pipe home to the full depth of the socket. If possible, twist the pipe a quarter turn after it's been inserted into the fitting. This ensures the glue is spread evenly throughout the whole joint. 4. Hold the bonded joint in position for at least 30 seconds to ensure the pipe and fitting do not slide out and separate. 5. Do not disturb the structure for 5 minutes. And 6. Allow 24 hours curing before testing. And there you have it, it's bonded. Now let's go over some things to keep in mind when using blue glue to ensure optimal adhesion and longevity. As stated before, for the first 5 minutes after cementing, avoid moving the pipes. At temperatures of less than 10 degrees, this should be extended to 15 minutes to allow sufficient time for the bond to develop and cure. If in the ground, cemented jointed pipes may be covered after approximately 10 to 12 hours. Before using the pipes in normal operation, thoroughly flush them through with water to remove any solvent vapor. Where pipes are not required for immediate service, it's advisable to flush through thoroughly and possibly allow it to stand filled with water for extra precaution. When using blue glue, there are a few cautions to keep in mind. No additive of any kind, including priming fluid, should be mixed with blue glue Type N. PVC pipe cements don't take longer to set in colder temperatures, so there is no need to artificially speed up the drying process of the glue by using hair dryers or the like. Doing so could affect the integrity of the joint. Mistakes can happen, but try as best as possible to avoid spilling blue glue, as the dyes leave a permanent stain. In the event of spillage, soak up as quickly as possible with a clean, dry cloth to remove as much product as possible. A few other things to keep in mind. Blue glue Type N is to be used for non-pressure applications only. If you need a glue for pressure applications, use RLA's Type P. Temperatures above 30 degrees and/or windy conditions can result in premature drying of PVC pipe cement and prevent a satisfactory bond. So try to time the applications to a moderate weather day with still conditions. If using the product within windy conditions or temperatures above 30 degrees is unavoidable, either apply a second coat or use a slow setting pipe cement. As mentioned earlier, Blue Glue is suitable only for PVC-U pipes with a diameter of 100 ml or less. For PVC pipes with a diameter exceeding 100 ml, use a slow set pipe cement or a large diameter pipe cement. Lastly, Blue Glue is not suitable for bonding polyethylene or plasticized PVC articles. Blue Glue has proven product performance over several decades in millions of applications around Australia and overseas, so you can buy with confidence knowing Blue Glue has been tried and tested time and time again. Thank you for joining us today, taking an in-depth look into Blue Glue. We hope you learned something today and are comfortable and with the ways in which you can use it to its best capacity. If you wish to purchase Blue Glue and not sure where your nearest stockist is, get in touch with our friendly sales team who will be able to direct you to your nearest stockist. Have a great week and we'll see you next time.